Hey, hello guys. So guys, today we are going to talk about the WordPress. So first one or two videos I will explain you what is exactly WordPress is, and after that we will see the installation and use of WordPress. So let's start. Okay guys, so WordPress is most powerful, you can say, the tool to build our website blogging. So there are too many um, applications, too many websites from where you can build your website, but WordPress usually the people use because this is user-friendly application or website. So for WordPress, no need to be expert. Even you are not professional, you can use WordPress. Anytime you can ask from the support. So why we use only the WordPress? What is the benefit and why we choose the WordPress? So there are many reasons. We talk about some of the reasons for this. Basically, the WordPress give us the quick installation. It's very quick. It install, means your files will update very quickly on the WordPress, and it's also user friendly. As I told you before, yani even you are not professional or you don't know much about the computer, you can use this to build your website. The most important thing, you have the full control of each part of the website. So it gives you the full control, strong communication support. This is also one of the important reason. Okay, and the best thing in WordPress, this is cost effective. Okay, so if we talk about the more benefits, so no need FTP, plugin WordPress. Yani there are too many plugins you can download from the website. I will tell you. We are going to learn shortly about this. There are too many plugins like the calendar. You can add for the uh, you can say open the ticket, and there are too many plugins. Okay, so if we talk about the benefits, its site management is very easy. You can update your site easily because you have the full control, easy to customize and design. You can see now the benefits of using WordPress website. As I told you, no FTP, easy to use, plugins, website management, search engine, full control. Okay, so because lot of design you will find on WordPress, you can use it to build in blogging. Best thing, most flexible content management system. Speed, flexibility is amazing. Large communities of developers and users who help each other, and you stuck if you stuck somewhere, so we can take help. Uh, we can use support forum, and you can request 100% customizable. Infinite scalability means you can grow your website on country or company to whole world. Okay, so there are two websites, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. From here you can get this WordPress. So I will talk about more things in my next video. Till the next video, take care. Bye.